How to use TikTok picture-in-picture hidden feature. To use this mode, all you have to do is first of all open your TikTok application on your device. From there, head to any of the videos that you want to view in picture-in-picture mode, and all you have to do is simply long press on that specific video, and from here you should be able to find this option called picture-in-picture. All you have to do is click on it, then go ahead and tap on this turn on option, and it will send you to a new window from where you can manage your system setting. All you have to do is find your TikTok application and enable this. Once you enable this, all you have to do is go backwards and once again repeat the process to enable the picture-in-picture mode. And as you can see, now you can use any applications in the background and the TikTok will start to play in itself. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.